The suits worn by astronauts as they zip and float through space are fascinating garments, and not just because they've been out there in the vast unknown. Here are 10 really amazing things about spacesuits. Number 10. They're time-consuming to put on. Donning one takes up to 45 minutes, and even then the suit isn't ready for out-of-module adventures. Wearers have to adapt to the lower pressurization in it, and that requires spending about an hour taking in pure oxygen. Number 9. The suits are white for a very good reason. Just like here on Earth, the color helps fend off heat and keep the body cooler. The stakes are much higher in space though, as there the sun's rays can reach up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 8. Spacesuits are unisex. The only difference in the ensembles worn by males and females is size. Number 7. They're made of steel and cement. Well, partially anyway. Also involved are some neoprene-coated nylon, spandex, and high-strength composite materials. Those that can be sewn together are. Some, however, require stronger and more durable construction means. Number 6. Dangerous malfunctions can occur. About 2 years ago, the helmet of an Italian astronaut out on a spacewalk began to fill with water, nearly drowning him.
Oh, so that stuff on your forehead is not sweat?
No, it's not.
Oh, I see.
Feel a lot of water on the back of my head, but I don't think it's leaked from my back.
The cause was identified as a clogged filter, and the astronaut's survival was attributed largely to his cool-headed handling of the crisis. Number 5. The material has some serious heft. It's comprised of 11 different layers. Combined, they measure nearly 1/4 of an inch thick. Number 4. Moonwalking and spacewalking suits are different. The ones made for the Apollo missions had big boots designed especially for trudging around on the rocky lunar surface.
To land astronauts on the moon, a different set of functions was required. A full range of physical movement was necessary to carry out exploration of the moon's surface.
Unlike those made for previous spacewalk-only endeavors, they also came equipped with internal life support systems, allowing for untethered exploration. Number 3. NASA's working on a new one. Among the prototype's notable features are folds in the fabric that make mobility easier, and a more durable upper torso area. There are also lighter patches, which are intended to help astronauts identify the other crew members. Number 2. There's a special waste compartment. Because bathrooms can be tough to come by in space, the suits contain a special receptacle that stores bodily waste. Number 1. A temperature control garment is worn beneath them. It looks like an old-fashioned union suit, but is actually a very advanced piece of equipment. Running throughout it are cooling tubes of water.
Cooling was provided by this liquid-cooled undergarment.
They help maintain body temperature, even when the heat is in the triple digits. What do you think is the most fascinating fact about spacesuits?